Welcome to Unique Virtual Classes. In this video we will guide you through the platform and its benefits. Unique Virtual Classes bring the live classroom experience to your home, so you can avail the same benefits while staying safe. What you will need: laptop, Wi-Fi connection, headphones, your books. Log into the platform with your username and password. Enter your online class. Experience the lecture as though you are in the live classroom, with perfect clarity of video and audio. Ask and clear your doubts and questions, take down your notes like you normally would. Experienced and helpful faculty. User-friendly interface and methods. High-quality lectures and teaching. Start your journey with Unique Virtual Classes today.